welcome or welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I got this Michael Myers Halloween look thing, whatever you want to call it, then just please continue watching. Hey guys, okay, so let's just jump right into this. Guys, I wanted to kind of do this earlier, but time's just going by. I already went ahead and did my makeup and everything because that took like 30-40 minutes. I don't really know. But let's just jump right into this. I'm going to kind of be going by this picture of Michael Myers. I decided to do like a Halloween look with this, and I actually did a Jeepers Creepers look with it a few days ago, and I can insert a pic. And no guys, I'm sorry I did not record that look. I actually have kind of been like sick and stuff. I don't know if it was kind of a cold, kind of allergies, kind of both. And I just didn't really feel like stressing out about making it or anything. But yeah, so let's just jump right into this now. I'm not using like paint besides this one. I'm actually using like eyeshadows and eyeliner and stuff like that, and lipsticks. And yeah, I'm using like a real knife, and I had to use toilet paper and everything to wrap it all up because I'm not trying to actually stab myself. So yeah, I hope this brush will work. I don't even know. It kind of has long ears. That's like I said, guys, I have not practiced this, and I'm sorry if I'm like quiet doing all this, but I need like concentration. Might put like some music in or something. Those ears ain't even. Oh god. Okay, so now I'm starting on like the neck part, and oh my god. And I just switched to this eyebrow brush to use and see if it'll be that kind of better. Now I'm just going to take this Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I think I'm going to like outline and this and that. Now, the one piece, is it like a mechanic suit? Whatever it's called that he wears. I think it's like, in this picture that I have, it's like a blue, so I'm just going to take this L'Oreal Paints Infallible and Navy Spy and just kind of Okay guys, I think Michael Myers might officially be done. Here's a close-up of him. I think it turned out pretty good. Now let's move on to the knife part. I was really wanting to do it here, but you would have to like cut this and everything, and just didn't get to go out to get like a fake knife or anything. So yeah, this is a real knife. And then I thought about doing like something here, and then I was like, but I'll probably do it in there or something, and try to make it look all like bloody, like he got me in the boob or the chest or something. So that's probably what I'm gonna do, I guess. So that over there. Just gonna get some foundation. Pour it out. Let's see which side. I mean, I want to be covering some of it. Wait, yeah, okay. Let's kind of go over that, some foundation. Let's see. Now, I have like this vampire blood, but I'm also going to use like, oh crap. Okay, I probably shouldn't have. Oh no. Guys, why do I do this to myself? Some of it's going to be going in my bra. Darn. I actually have some tape, and I was going to try to like kind of tape it. Hopefully it'll like work. Maybe that'll look, does it look okay? Now I'm going to take some of this, also Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid in Red Punch, and just kind of make a mess. How does it look? It looks okay, right? Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Here's a close-up. See. Well, for my first try on Michael Myers anyway, I think it overall turned out pretty good, and I'm really happy that it did. But thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.